Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making homemade fruity. It's that delicious mango juice you see in every single store you see. Except we're going to be having it, but it's going to be homemade and it's going to be way better. Just look at it. It looks amazing. So let's start. You're going to need a mango and a raw mango. It doesn't matter what type of mango it is. You can choose your favorite type even, but as long as it's fresh and yummy. So you're going to peel them both, leaving out all the skin, because you don't want that in your juice. No way. So once you've peeled it all off, you're going to cut it. So just cut it and start cutting it into small slices. Doesn't matter the shape, because we're going to be straining it anyway. And then you're going to do the seed too. But this is only for the mango. For the raw mango, you're only going to do the sides, not the seed. Because we want a little bit of the raw mango to add a bit of flavor, sourness. And the sweet one to make it sweet, of course. So this should give you 2 cups of mango and half cup of raw mango. So now you're going to add it into a big pot. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add 1 cup of water. And this next part is sweet. You're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar. But not too much. You don't want it to be too sweet. So you're going to boil it nicely. At first, it's just going to be a couple pieces of mango floating in water. But you're going to close the lid and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. After that, once you see the steam rising up, you're going to lift the lid and you'll see that the mango is kind of foaming and it's very, very smooth now. You're going to just let it boil until it's super soft. As you can see, it's easily mushing up at the side. That means it's cooked perfectly. So you're going to switch off the flame. And then you're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. It's optional though. It's just for a little bit of color, but it's also healthy. You don't need to add it if your mango's in good color. So you're going to let it cool and then you're going to strain it. You only want the mango pieces, not the leftover water. So once you've got the water out of the way, you're going to add those pieces into a blender and you're going to blend it smoothly. Then it's going to turn into a weird kind of mango paste. But don't worry, you're going to add a bit of water and start straining it. This is going to make your mango juice. So completely strain it, and you should have just a little bit of leftover pulp. And then you're going to just give it a nice, good mix. And at first, it's going to be a bit thick, so we're going to add some water. But we're also going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice for flavor. So give it a nice good mix again. And now you're going to add 4 cups of water. This is going to make it more liquidy. After all, it is mango juice, not mango pulp. So you're going to mix it nicely and let it refrigerate for 2 hours. And it's ready. This gives you 6 cups of delicious mango fruity. If you put it in a refrigerator, you can store it up to 2 weeks. It is so good, so fresh, so delicious, healthy, and the perfect summer drink. It is also very refreshing. So make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and enjoy this super yummy juice.